welcome to Maths Techniques. Today we are going to discuss squares. Generally, squares are useful in the exams. Many times at the time of exams, we are using squares. How to find squares up to 100 easily I will explain. You know very well squares. Up to 10, everybody know very well. Up to 11 enough for this technique. Okay. Somebody nowadays remembering more than 20 squares not easy. Some students will usually remember up to 30 also, but up to 100, up to 200, how to do easily I will explain. Recall the technique squares. 1 square means 1 1 ja 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 3 3 ja 9, 4 square 4 4 ja 16, 5 square 5 5 ja 25, 6 square 6 6 ja 36, 7 square 7 7 ja 49. 8 square 8 8 ja 64, 9 square 9 9 ja 81, 10 square easy 100, 10 10 ja 11 square 121. By using this and all, how to do up to 120 I will explain. In the future videos I will explain how to find easily up to 200, more than 200 also. Okay. For example, I will take 36 square. How to find 36 square? Observe simply. 3 as 3 and 6. 3 square 9. 6 square 36. Okay? What it again? 3 square 9. 6 square 36. After that, this 3 multiply like a 3 into 6 into 2. Like A into B into C. Multiply. What will get? 3 to 6. 6 to. So 3 6 are 12. 3 6 are 18. 18 2 are 36. Or 2 6 are 12. 12 3 36. Anyway, any direction you multiply. 2 6 are 12. 12 3 are 36. Or 2 3 are 6, 6 6 are 36, like that. Product of these three is 36. 36 like a normal multiplication. Leave the last place. Don't write here. 36 right here and add 6. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 3 12. After some time practice, you will do the squares within 2 seconds. You will find the squares. Any square within 2 seconds in the future. Okay. Required a little bit practice. Observe here. For example, you want 45 square. Observe. 44 square 16, 5 square 25, like that, right? After that, this one like 4 into 5 into 2, like that. Okay? It's a technique only, not optional method. Okay? 2 5 is 10, 2 5 is 10, 10 4 is 40. Leave last place, right? 40. Suppose you got 140, 140 like that. Okay? Now 5, 2, 10, 1 carry. 0, 1 plus 1, 2, 0, 2, 5. Like that. Okay? Any squares. Okay? Good. I will explain. See one more example. For example, you want to find 54 square. 54 square. 5 square, 25. 4 square, 16. Right nearby, just nearby. 5 square after 4 square. Okay? 5 square, 25. 4 square, 16. After that, 5 into 4 into 2. Okay, like you know it, right? For your understanding purpose, I am writing like 5 into 4 into 2. In this style, you multiply 4 to the 8, 8 5 is 40, or 5 4 is 20, 2 is 40. Right here, leave right side only. Suppose you got 240, 240 right here, and add 6, 1, 9, 2. That's the answer. That is nothing but 54 square, my dear students. Okay. Come to one more example. Suppose you want to find 96 square. Okay? 96 square. 9 square 81. 6 square 36. After that, like a 9 into 6 into 2. After here, 2 6 are 12. 12 9 are 108. Like 108. Why do I want to leave last place? No? For understand purpose, I am writing into yearly. Without into also simply write. Okay? Leave it. Now add this 6, 3 plus 8, 11, 1 plus 1, 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 to 1, 6. That is nothing but 96 square. Suppose 2 6 is 12, 12 9 is 108. 12 table you are not recalling, no problem. Do like this, 9 6 is 54. 54 write double time. 54. 9 6 is 54. 54 plus 54, 108, like that. Why? Because here into 2 means double only, no. Double means repeat addition 2 times. That's so easy. Okay, don't worry about this also. 9 6 are 54. 9 10 9 6 are 54. 2 2 means double. 54 plus 54, 108. Like that also do. That's all easy, simple. Up to 100, any square easy to do. Okay? Understand? Okay, student? Okay.
Start.
Come to one more example. Based on compulsory you want to perfect. How much you are perfect in these squares? 1 to 9 square. That was easy to find up to 100 square and 110 square. Okay? But a little bit practice required, my dear friends. Compulsory you do in our own. Here only a small exception is there. I will say to you. For example, you want to find 93 square. 9 square 81. 9 square. 3 square 9, but don't write 9. 0 9 you want to write. That only exception. Suppose your 2 is there. 2 square 0 4. 1 is there. 1 square 0 1. Like that. That's all. Everything common. Okay? That only remember. You want to remember carefully. 3 square 9 don't write 0 9. But here double digit required. So 1 square is there. 1 is there. 1 square 0 1. 2 is there. 2 square 0 4. 3 is there. 3 square 0 9. Okay? After that normally. Suppose here you no need to write 9 into 2 into 3. Okay? 9 into 3 into 2. 2 3 is 6, 6 9 is 54. 54 right here and add 9, 4, 6, 8. That's all. That is 93 square. Okay? Understand? Very easy to find any square. Okay? For example, you want to find 82 square. 8 square. 8 square. See this speed? Okay, I am explaining to you, that's why I am very slowly, but if you practice once, you will get speed. You will get the answer within 2 seconds. I am challenging. I will make you perfect like this. 8 square 64. 2 square 0 4 you want to write. 0 4. After that, 2 2 is 4. 4 8 is 32. If I said like this, you can't understand. That's why I am writing 8 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 8. 2 2 is 4. 4 8 is 32. Okay? 32. 32. And okay, like this. Observe. 4, 2, 2, 7, 6. That's all. That was easy to find squares. Okay. So I am requesting you. Techniques use speed in the math exams, but it requires a little bit practice. Okay. I am expecting you practice well. All the best. Thank you very much. I'll meet you in the next video in the next technique. Another technique.